the channel where we explore tech and global opportunities. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on valuable content. Today we have a special focus: Austria. With an 81% skills shortage in 2023, Austria is actively looking for talented individuals in various fields. Let's dive in.
At 29 and I find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Austria, known for its stunning Alps, Mozart, and mouth-watering Wiener Schnitzel, is also an epicenter of innovation and opportunity. Many global corporations and exciting startups call Austria home. So, if you're a skilled professional, Austria is laying out the red carpet for you.
I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you, I never could have moved away. But now I seek what you teach.
When comparing the country to other European nations, it has a straightforward work permit system. Thanks to its economic stability, there are always attractive opportunities for foreigners who want to relocate there. According to Trading Economics in September 2022, there were over 218,000 job vacancies in Austria. The number grew from 84,000 in June 2020 and is currently the country's record. In addition, medium-sized organizations lead the job market in Austria, as opposed to most European countries where large organizations dominate the market. The minimum wage is high in Austria compared to other European countries.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen.
As of February 2023, it's 1,500 euros per month for all sectors. According to Eurostat's 2021 data, on average, people living in Austria earn 48,317 euros per year, which places the country as the fifth best place in Europe in terms of compensation. The Austrian government makes it a priority to provide all residents with access to high-quality, adequate healthcare.
What did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time.
The country's health policies, which cover 99.9% of all people living there, are inclusive and barrier-free, which means that anyone receives equal treatment, regardless of age, gender, or origin. After securing a permanent job in Austria, you become eligible to receive the country's social security benefits. In addition to medical benefits, this includes childcare allowances, sickness benefits, or payments during parental leave. The country has mandatory parental leave for pregnant employees, which starts 8 weeks before giving birth. If an employee's pregnancy is high risk, then the leave increases to 12 weeks. Austria is the 11th happiest place to live, according to the World Happiness Report 2022. The country has a low crime rate, and citizens have access to attractive cultural and recreational experiences. If you have a degree or diploma from a British university or school, Austrian employers are likely to automatically approve of your qualifications. Austria's official language is German. Although many Austrians speak English well, it's advisable to have at least a basic understanding of German if you want to pursue a career in that country. Austria is facing shortages in all sectors like engineers and technicians, business specialists and accountants, physical and construction employees, hospitality and food employees, and healthcare specialists. Finding a job in Austria has been made easier thanks to several online platforms. Websites like Karriere.at, Stepstone.at, and the Public Employment Service Austria, also known as AMS, are excellent places to start your job hunt. LinkedIn is another great resource with many job postings specific to Austria. Once you've secured a job, getting a work visa is the next step. The red white-red card is a popular choice for skilled workers from outside the EU. The application process is points-based, considering your qualifications, work experience, language skills, and age. It's fast, and you can often get approval within a few weeks. Austria is more than just a place to work, it's a place to live. Imagine weekends skiing in the Austrian Alps, enjoying classical music concerts in Vienna, or savoring local delicacies like Sachertorte. Austria ranks high in terms of quality of life, healthcare, and education. It's the complete package. Austria is an attractive tourist destination for both people who want to visit cities like Vienna and those who prefer spending their holidays actively. Let's be real. Moving to a new country is a big decision, but Austria offers a rare blend of career growth, cultural enrichment, and work-life balance. Whether you're a tech geek, an artist, or a financial wizard, Austria has a place for you. That's it for today's video, folks. I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you think would benefit. Leave your questions or experiences about working in Austria in the comments below. Thanks for watching.